NBC News just confirming now that Tom Daschle will be named Barack Obama's Secretary of Health and Human Services. Daschle is, of course, the former majority leader in the U.S. Senate and was defeated in his bid for re-election in 2004. He was defeated by Republican John Thune, so he's been out of the Senate now for several years. Let's talk to NBC's Andrea Mitchell, who's on the phone with us. And Andrea, I understand you confirmed this. How significant is this for Tom Daschle?
Well, it's a major appointment because he was one of the earliest supporters of Barack Obama, urging him to run for president. He has long wanted to be involved in healthcare policy, wrote a book earlier this year about healthcare, what to do next on healthcare, but was also under consideration for chief of staff, and very frankly, according to people who know him well, might have been an earlier choice for chief of staff, but Rahm Emanuel got that job. So HHS is a very tough challenge for anyone. Tom Daschle has years of experience, former House member, former senator, and majority leader. Been an advisor to a law firm, Alston & Bird, was named earlier today by the transition as the point person for health care, as they've listed all of the people who will be working on individual issues. Healthcare was, his basket of concerns, and so he will be leading HHS, assuming he'll be confirmed, which would likely be a very easy confirmation. One challenge will be his spouse. We're seeing that more and more with two career families. His wife, Linda, is a lobbyist, so to meet the standards in this new administration, this new transition, they're going to have to figure out how to work around her career.
The book that you mentioned, Andrea, is called Critical: What We Can Do About the Healthcare Crisis. Andrea, you'll remember we saw so much discussion about healthcare and what to do about rising insurance premiums or families who can't afford good medical care anymore. If he's at the helm of HHS, Health and Human Services, is there an opportunity for him to do real change, or, as some have suggested, would he have been more effective as sort of a health czar in the White House?
Well, having studied administrations past and thinking about the future, a lot of the people, the contenders for cabinet jobs, have thought that things work best if you are inside the White House working out. That cabinet government really is more of an historic concept, not something that has worked in recent White Houses. But he clearly has a close enough relationship with Barack Obama that he has most likely been assured that he can have the ear of the president, which is what you need as a cabinet secretary. So can be effective, and certainly his connections on the Hill. If anyone can get anything done working with the Hill, working with Teddy Kennedy, his close friend and longtime partner, it's Tom Daschle.